Popular businessman killed in cold blood. The 18th of August 2025. Spread the love by a correspondent. Harare woke up to shock and grief following the brutal murder of prominent RUWA businessman Joseph Mnangagwa, popularly known as MnangagwaZim, who was gunned down in the early hours of Monday by suspected armed robbers at his Lishin estate farmhouse. According to reports, 7 heavily armed men stormed the property and demanded cash from the businessman. Mnangagwa, who was well known for his crop and livestock production at Lishin estate, as well as his popular entertainment hub mnangagwa Hideout and a chain of butcheries, pleaded with the assailants to allow him to fetch money from his abattoirs in exchange for his life. The gang, however, ignored his pleas and shot him once in the stomach before firing 5 more bullets into his chest, killing him instantly. The horrific incident has left the RUWA and Harare business community in shock, with many describing Mnangagwa as a hardworking entrepreneur who created jobs and opportunities for many Zimbabweans. Police have since launched a manhunt for the suspects, with investigators vowing to leave no stone unturned. This is a tragic loss, not only for his family but for the entire community. We will ensure the perpetrators face justice, said a police source close to the investigations.